warriors, because most narcissists, when they lose this self-respect, they go into a shame hurricane. It's like being castrated. Their nuts have been put in a Gerber jar, or if it's a woman, your fun button is put in a Gerber jar, because they objectify themselves. Anyone who runs around solely, the sales pitch is on what they have to physically offer, when it no longer is able to acquire resources, it's no longer able to command attention or command results, as in to invoke harm in others just because they don't want